Hey guys, MightyMouseDex here, and today I'll be making a tutorial on the song Only Human by the Jonas Brothers. In the beginning, they use a fill that goes into the main beat, and that fill sounds like this. Slower for you, it would sound like. How you would count that is 1, 2, 3, 4 E and A. In motion, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 E and A. One more time, slower. And one more time faster. Now let's get on to the main beat. This beat is basically used the whole song. For the kick, there is different variations that I used. So first, let's start with the hi-hat. The hi-hat is basically, there are basically 16 notes, and there's an accent on the last note. So it would sound like this. For the kick, there are two versions of it. The first one, which is used in the verse, is like this. How you would count that is 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Slow for you. And one more time fast. Now, the second variation that I use for the chorus adds 3 more notes, and it would sound like this. So what happens here is that the first variation is still going on, the same a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. But in the second variation, I add a kick in between the transition from 3 to 4. So it would be like this: a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 1. One more time, slowly. And one more time fast. All together, slowly, it should sound like this. And for the second variation, slowly, it should sound like this. One more time faster for the first. And one more time fast for the second. Now, to put it all together with the fill and the first variation, it should sound like this. And you alternate between the first variation and the second variation, between verses and choruses, and you do that all until the end. And that's how you do Only Human by the Jonas Brothers. Bye!